one father, and a father named Peter Spencer. Them call him Simon, him thief, you fuck. One the fin top thief. Cause the boy that did thief, you know. No, I like that boy that did damn thief. Anyway, I'm come from Junction side, St. Elizabeth, yeah. I be a family live round there. You understand what I say? She don't have no more father. Any father you come up with, I wonder when me did not try plant one sitting up and forget her money off her. But not lie to you, when me did young, me did use my head per man to get their money. So any father you talk about, I must say fake daddy. In real daddy, they don't a centi crop. Yeah, I know a centi crop. Yeah. Nobody tell her nothing. She get her daddy name. Straight through, right through. You know, I'm glad I can't read some of my time because God know the comment section I got too much. Add me now. You know, so me never see one now say, how do now let me all $120,000, even 10 grand, because I'm broke. So at least if you come up here, so nobody can tell me say you love me, because no found way can tell me so you love me and take it back. Love can't take back quick. Me see people do that to me. Should I take back my TV, you know? God no. You know, so after I think about it, I'm going to like me a good girl. And good girl thing no work, you know, God no. Me look on you know, I should take back that blood clot TV there, you know. I swear to God. I say, I fat girl over there watching. Me bumbo class. Tell a big old fat girl you couldn't buy man a TV. I know me there, so I look on it. I should take back my blood clot TV. I know say no lock indoor night time. Indoor, me can't go in a poppy in. I just want to know if me can go in a poppy in. Because what I need is a car. And me just drive in. And him love road, you know, because boy will love rum and boom. I just drive in and take back my blood clot TV. And he go put it on stand. And a fat girl if you buy my TV, you know. See, I tell me it's a big old fat girl if couldn't buy one blood clot TV. Cut, go back to commercial break. Back to the commercial. Hi, yes. Who say you want to come up? When the person says she want to come up? Who say you want to come up? Tell me. Me. Okay, girl. Where she did? Let me see her. She said me. Okay.
No. You don't hear me?
Hey, morning.
Morning. I'm just
What's
calling
up?
to say happy Father's Day to you. And I love you,
Thank you.
girl. I know you said nobody knows they love you, but girl, me I watch you for a long time. But when you just
How come you know
started,
why you take it back? You know why you take it back? That's why I said
me
so.
not
Thank
take it
you.
back, me not stay so. But I've been watching you from a long time. When you just started with the little glass thing that thing there. Yeah,
What's
man,
that?
when you use the filter, the glass, the little eyeglass filter, like, remember?
Oh, yo, that was a long time when we used to use the eyeglass filter. One time I did on
Yes,
live. Yes.
yes, yes. From them days, the girl. I tell you, I love you guys, you know, especially now that you link up with Jaden and Javas. No follow Jaden, though. We know him a troublemaker.
Man,
We're not
true.
taking him serious.
What?
Eh? We're not taking him serious. Big
Okay.
up you, girl. Big up you.
Thank
Big up
you.
you. Blessed Sunday. Go and
Bless
enjoy
you.
yourself. One life
Thank
to
you.
live.
Thank you.
All
I just give
right.
you a follow, all right? Thank you.
All right, darling.
Thank you, baby.
All right.
Guys, thank you for that kiss, dear. Wait, person. Thank you so much for that. Oh, which part you there? Hold on. I go fast in a people business now, you know. So I hurry and go on in our house. And my phone a charge so I can walk up and down and fast in a people business. Guys, wait, the comment section at Trump. Oh my god, 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 me do something wrong, Shoot. What me do this do? You know say me go tap for something wrong with me, you know. Alright, me just follow you. The person will give me the kiss. You can follow me back now, please. Sorry, sorry, sometimes my hand not work right. Please. Me this squad, I not go press one wrong button. Yeah, this squad send one kiss, come give me, I'ma follow you. Where other person? Where other person? You said me. Hold on. Alright, see them. May I take a person from the top? Sexy fatty, may I come? You are my sister, I know you gonna come over here and come provoke my life. Guys, may not take no person when I have no DP. May I tell you the truth? I'm not